Welcome to our YouTube channel students, e-learning hub by Udgam Welfare Foundation. Students, in this video series we are discussing the case studies about determinant. If you have missed our previous videos, then you can please watch those videos, as it is going to enhance your concept related to the determinant chapter. Also, if you are searching for online test, then you can use our free resources, that is free online test on various chapter for class 12 students. It is going to enhance your skills and how to tackle MCQs, which comprises of 20% of the weightage of entire board exam. Now let's move towards our case study number 2. So student, this is our next case study, which is case study number 2. A small business owner Rajiv needed to manage his warehouse inventory based on supply and demand across 3 locations. He modeled his inventory flow using a system of 3 linear equations representing quantities shipped to and from locations. To find the exact values for each route, he expressed the system in matrix form and applied the inverse matrix method. Rajiv used the determinant of the coefficient matrix to check if a unique solution exists. Additionally, he applied cofactor and adjoint concepts to calculate the matrix inverse and solve for the unknowns. Let us explore how determinants help in such business optimization tasks. On the basis of this particular case study, we are going to discuss 5 MCQs as per the board examination standards. So let's get started and see what is our first MCQ. So students, this is our first MCQ, which states if the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix is 0, what does it imply about the system of equations it represents? System has a unique solution, system has infinite or no solution, system has exactly 2 solutions, or system has negative determinant. So if we see option number B, because system has infinite or no solution, as we know that when we solve any inverse of a matrix or when we solve system of equation, our determinant value should not be equal to 0, otherwise we won't be able to find the variables value. So here system has infinite or no solution is our correct answer. Now let's move towards our question number 2. So student, this is our question number 2. It states the given matrices, we have to find the determinant value of this matrix. So let's expand with the help of our first row here. Now we will take 1 here. Now we'll get 4, 5, 0, 6. You can also pause the video and practice it. Minus 2. Here you will get 0, 5, 1, 6 plus 3, 0, 4, 1, 0, right? So here you will get 6 4s are 24 only, obviously 5 0 0 minus this 0 minus 5 plus 10, and it will give you 0 minus 12. So this is minus 2 and minus plus 22, sorry. So do we have plus 22 answer? Yes, option number A is our correct answer here. Now let's move toward question number 3. So students, this is our question number 3, which states which of the following statements about cofactor is true. Cofactors are only used in 2 by 2 matrices, which is wrong. Cofactors help in calculating transpose. Cofactors are used in computing the determinant and adjoint. Cofactors are never negative. So these 2 options are wrong. And cofactors help in calculating the transpose. Is it correct? Which is wrong also, because we don't require cofactors while calculating the transpose. Transpose is basically converting all the rows into column and column into rows, so there is no role of cofactors in that. So option number C is our correct answer here. Very simple. Now let's move towards question number 4. So this is our question number 4. What is the order of an identity matrix used to invert a 3 by 3 matrix? What is the order? So obviously, if we need to find the order of an identity matrix used to invert, that means to find the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix, so identity matrix should also be of the same order. What is the order here? 3 by 3. So our option should be 3 by 3 only, because other order will not work to find the inverse. Now let's move towards our next question. So student, this is our next question. The inverse of a matrix A is found using which formula? Very simple. So what is the formula which we require to find the inverse of a matrix? That is, A inverse is equal to adjoint of A upon determinant of A. Adjoint of A upon determinant of A we require to find A inverse. Very simple. So that was the last question of our case study problems. I hope you like the video, and if you have enjoyed our video, then you can share and subscribe our channel so that other students will also get benefited. If you share and subscribe our channel, then you can also support our NGO, which is Udgam Welfare Foundation. You can also try our online tests, which are free of cost for class 12 students, so that it is going to help you in scoring more in one marker section. I will provide the link in the description box. We are going to meet in our next videos. Till then, goodbye and take care.